Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the tutorial for 3 festive looks, and the one that I'm wearing is one of them. Finally, I'm going to show you how I do my makeup, and as promised, all of these 3 festive looks will be created without using an eyeshadow palette. I don't think I need to remind you, but all of the products are going to be cruelty free because you all know that I want to promote a cruelty free lifestyle. Diwali is right around the corner, so this is the best time to do these festive looks. So without further ado, let's begin our tutorial for festive look 1. I have already moisturized my skin using the Plum E-Luminance Deep Moisturizing Cream. I am using the Smashbox Photo Finish Pore Minimizing Primer. It is one of my absolute favorites. I apply this primer on areas where I have large pores. You need to leave the primer on your skin for at least a minute, and till then let's do our brows. I'm going to use the Nykaa Brow Chica Wow. The next step is concealer. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. Then with the help of a damp sponge, I'm gonna blend it. Now as you can see, my dark circles are concealed, and I also had 2-3 red spots on my skin which also have been concealed. The next step is foundation, and I'm going to use the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. This again is my favorite. It's a lightweight skin-like foundation which comes with a pump, and I'm in the shade 2.2. For me, single coat is enough, but if you're going to a party or depending on different skin types, you can apply a second layer as well, because this is not full coverage, it is medium coverage. Now comes the time to set your face, and for that I'm going to use this HD Setting Loose Powder by K Beauty in the shade Banana. With the help of this powder, you can set the areas of your skin which are likely to crease. The next step is blush, and for blush I'm going to use the blush from Color Bar in Veiled Merlot. The next step is contouring, and for contour I'm going to use this Nykaa Contour and Conquer palette. This is contour and this is highlighter, so this is 2-in-1. I will also contour my nose. Then comes the eyes, and for eyes you're gonna need this fluffy brush that you apply on your crease, and you're gonna use the same blush that you use and put a little brush on your crease like this. I just wanted a little color on my eyes. That is why I've put a little pink blush on my crease. But it's not compulsory. You don't have to if you don't want to. You can leave your eyes like that and simply apply an eyeliner. I'm gonna use the Lotus eyeliner. This is Eco Stay Gel Eye Definer by Lotus Herbals. It's in the color Blue Sapphire. I'm gonna add a wing eyeliner. You have to start from the outside, but you have to take it to the inner corner. So this is how the blue eyeliner looks. The next step is mascara, and before mascara I need to curl my lashes. For mascara I am using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. My lashes are really small, that is why I have to apply 2 to 3 coats of mascara. Next I'm gonna apply lipstick. I'm gonna use 2 lipsticks. The first one is by Smashbox Be Legendary Lipsticks in First Time Matte, and the other one is by Nykaa in the shade Game On. This is the Nykaa Creamy Matte Lipstick. I don't wear lip liners, I directly apply my lipstick. I think lip liners are an extra step which we can avoid, though I love combining 2-3 lipsticks and wearing them. Next we're going to apply highlighter, and I'm going to use the Nykaa highlighter in Moonshine. Again, this has 2 shades, bronze gold and blush gold. I'm going to use a fan brush and I'm going to start applying this highlighter on the high points of my face. I'm going to mix them both. The last step is makeup fixer. If you want your makeup to stay longer, you will need to use a makeup fixer. I'm going to use the one by NYX. My makeup is done. I'm going to quickly change and come back. So for every look, only 2 things are gonna change: eyes and lips. That's it. So for this look, I'm gonna use a kajal, a black kajal from Nykaa. It's the Nykaa I Am Black Kajal. I've come closer to the camera so that you can see what I'm gonna do with my eyes. First I'm going to take the kajal and draw a line, a simple plain line on top of my eyes. worry if it's messy because everything is gonna smudge. Then I'm gonna take the smudging brush and smudge it. When you smudge it out, the intense black becomes a little grey, and that's exactly what you need for this look. Then you should take your bronzer and a fluffy brush and you're going to put it on your crease, okay? After applying the bronzer, you can see how light this has become, and this is all without the eyeshadow palette. After this, you're gonna again take the kajal and draw a line. You can make a wing if you want, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't want a wing for this look. After drawing a line, you have to smudge it. After this, you're gonna put some kajal in the lower line. I don't have falsies, but this dramatic look deserves falsies, so if you have, please do apply it. Now for the lips, I'm going to use a lipstick from K Beauty in Faux Pas. So this is the result, and this is the final makeup look. I'm gonna change and come. So for this look, you're going to take a loose powder and a fluffy brush, and you're going to apply some loose powder on your crease. Then take some highlighter and apply it on your crease. You must have noticed that I have not removed the kajal that I applied on the lower lash line. It's because I need it in this look as well. I'm going to do a graphic eyeliner, and for that I'm going to use the eyeliner from K Beauty. So you'll start by making a line very close to the lash line. after making the line, next you're gonna create a wing. You know, my smudge brush already has some kajal in it, so I'm going to use that and create a line. I did that because this is a tricky part and I want to know that I'm doing it right. Now I'm going to apply the liner on top of that line very carefully. I'm going to complete the other eye, change, then quickly come back. I hope you enjoyed watching all of these looks. I am creating a lot of makeup content on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me there, and I'm also promoting the brands that are cruelty free on my IG. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like these, and I'll see you all in my next video.